This is the Migrateur 64 LDF from Fleurette. This vehicle, as you can see, is semi-integrated. It is 647 centimeters long and it costs 63,000 euros. This vehicle has a large seating area, chairs on either side of a large table, and of course the front chairs will turn round. Storage up the top, down there, large kitchen area for a vehicle of this size with large storage. Also here we have 2 burners and a glass covering for the burners, as well as a particularly large sink. Everything in this vehicle is large. There's an average sized bed, side bed, and there may come a time in your life when you're glad to get into a side bed. Here we have a large fat fridge and a freezer to go with it. More storage up here and storage around the bed. In here we find the toilet, which isn't so large, and it might seem a bit squashed, but bear in mind how the vehicle isn't particularly wide. And there's the shower with a sensibly centrally placed drain. Right. So there's the sink, and coming out here we've got even more storage here, and that's a wardrobe. As you may have heard, somebody just walked in whilst I was in here filming. You can only do that if you're in the same family, so they will now have to marry me. Here we've got a large, well, it's not large actually, it's small. For a side bed vehicle it's a large garage, and there's storage down there as well. So, but you're not going to get a bicycle in there. Right, good. So there's this vehicle, which can be bought from Reisemobile Hartmann in Lünen, north of Dortmund, Germany. And that video took me less than 3 minutes to do. And if you want to know more about this Migrateur 64 LDF or any other motorhome, well, not entirely any other, but some other motorhome, a lot of other motorhomes, then you will want to subscribe to my channel. And I have done this one here in far more depth in other videos. In fact, I spent 26 minutes on it in one video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it interesting. And regards from Caravan Salon, Düsseldorf.